Hi there, my name is Sean Logue. This is my Jing for week 11 of the Object-Oriented Programming class at Manchester Community College in the summer of 2018. This is really getting down to it because I believe this is our second to last week, or somewhat close to it. Anyway, let's see. So this week was the week where we actually brought our programs in and had other people sort of take a look at them and everything. Most of my code um, is actually from that class, stuff that I either went over or asked about or worked out during the class. I did do a little at home, but most of it was from there. The main thing that I did was I took my code from all being in one main file, and I switched it over to a couple different files. I believe I use three different Python files now. One is for building a wheel, which obviously should come with the program, but you don't really need to run it as part of the program. At least I don't believe you have to. So right here I have an Enigma functions file. So this should have all the functions that I need. And some of these some of these functions, like you can see a lot here, and they're not all used in my main file. They're actually used in the other functions within this Enigma functions file. So I moved a lot of the code into here. I had to move some of my information from the main file that I didn't think I would have to, like this. All building, or rather filling the wheels and instantiating them. And then let's see, initializing, I guess you could call these variables as empty lists before they're filled. So my function right now seems to work. If you give it a file to encrypt, it will encrypt it. If you give it a file to decrypt, it will decrypt that. It does it all through this get input function, which gets the choice and then either encrypts or decrypts. Now my function right now has, has 5 wheels, but it doesn't have anything to go through. Let's see, how would I put it? There's no plug board for it to go to first. So I guess that's something that it would do regardless of whether, no, it wouldn't. It would only do that if it encrypted. So I'll have to add code for that in. I haven't checked the, let's see, I haven't checked Canvas to see if you've given us the plug board yet, or if that's going to happen in class. So I do still have to prepare that, but for the most part, my file works. Also, if I run it here, second, so see, it pops up like this. I know some of the other people in the class like Abdullah have a really intricate menu. I haven't made any super intricate menus yet. My get input function has this sort of thing where it's type 1 for encryption, 2 for decryption, but it doesn't print out something that's like 1, 2, 3, these different options. They also formatted theirs in a way that I haven't seen before. I don't know if that's just a matter of, using lots of tabs and spaces and everything, and basically doing the same thing, or if it actually involves separate code for like a separate architecture for a menu. But like I said, one for encryption, and then I've just been using quotes by philosophers for my text files. So here you see it says, please wait one moment. And then my program does take a little while. I don't know if that's because of the way it's built. I think I made it quicker when I cleaned up this main clean page over here. But it does take a while. So again, that's something that I ideally would work on in my second week. There we go. And then I have it press enter to exit because I noticed that when I run it otherwise, not in idle, but the other way, it just closes the second it encrypts it. So this way it gives you a prompt to press enter to exit. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So I know that you might want it in a more polished state, but I'm pretty proud that it works, at least at the moment. But I will work mainly on getting, first of all, working to integrate the plug board, then fixing up the menu, and then I think I should be just about done. So yeah, this is my Jing for week 11 and in object oriented programming, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.